Hi, today I'm going to show you how to invite team members to Base44. In order to do this, simply choose the project where you want to invite the team members to. After selecting the project and navigating to the app, what you're going to simply do is click on dashboard icon at the top. Now choose users under overview. So that is the second option. After click users, you're going to see this invite user option. Simply click on this plus invite user option and you can copy this URL and you can share this link with anyone you want on your project. What you can also do is click on this email address field and enter the email address of the person that you want to invite as a user on your app or project. Now, you can also click on user and select whether the person can use the app or can manage users and settings. That is available on paid plans only. So you can either copy this code or invite them through email address and simply click on send invitation. After you click on send invitation, when the person will accept your invite, they'll be instantly able to join your project. So that's the simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.